Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we convert a simple text or a single line text into multi-text. So for that, we have to create a single line text first. So for that, you have to click on this home, and here in this annotation group, just click on this text and then select single line. Click on the screen, specify the height and the angle. I'm taking 0 and then press enter. Now you have to enter the text, and then if you are done, then just select out of this box and you will be done. So now this is your single line text. So the difference from the single line and the multi-line text is when you double click on that, then there is no option to edit your text. Like you cannot change the height, you cannot change its color or something else. So to edit this text, you first have to convert this text into multi-line text. So for that, we have to use this convert text into multi-line text. So for that, you have to click on this express tools, and here in this text group, you have an option here, convert to mtext. You can use the shortcut text to mtext. So I'll take the shortcut txt to mtxt, and then press enter, and then select the text. You can select and drag and then press enter. Now just after pressing enter, your text is now converted into multi-text. Check it whether it is converted or not. You just do double click on that, and just after doing double click, you can see there's a text editor tool appearing right here. So you can edit the font style, you can edit the text height, you can change the color or whatever you want. So this way you can edit the text in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.